In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can clear the history on your Samsung Internet app. The first step is to locate the Samsung Internet app. So on my phone, if I swipe up and I go to the last page of my apps, here is the Samsung Internet app. Tap on it wherever it is located on your phone. And then at the bottom right-hand corner are three horizontal stripes. Tap on that. And right here, the second option, it's going to say history. Tap on history. And you'll be able to see your video history at the top. So if I tap on video history, I haven't had any videos watched, so it doesn't show anything there. But you can browse your history and then see what websites you've been visiting. And if you want to clear this history, tap on the three vertical dots at the top right hand corner. And then the second option there is clear history. So I'll tap on that. And you can see it says no browsing history, which means the history has been cleared. So that is how you clear the history on your Samsung Internet. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.